And welcome back to part 3 of this Stamperia Passion 8x8 photo album. Today we are going to do pages, see, I forgot where we left off. 1 was blank, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Actually, we're going to finish this out. So right now we are going to work on page 6 and 7. And this is what I have for 6 and 7. They are going to be the same. I am going to make 2 pockets with a belly band and then another belly band inside the belly band. So here we go. For this page, I cut a, 8.5 by 7. And I did score on 3 sides of the of this page. And then I cut my corners because this is going to be a large pocket. So cut my corners this way. And then for this one, actually, guys, let me move this album out of the way. I actually used a Martha Stewart edge punch to decorate the edge. And what I did to try to get them straight was I measured. I have a little line right here where my center is. So I measured my page. This is 8.5, so 4 1/4, and I put a little mark just so I'll know where the center is at. I just put a little mark right there just so I'll know where the center is, and I can kind of, you know, make them even. So that is the center, and I went ahead and punched along the top of the page here. So let me do that. This is my pocket. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put tape on these are going to fold in because my bump is on the back. So I'm going to put tape along the edge here. So that is my pocket. Okay, it's going to go, this is my pocket. It is actually going to go this way, I believe. Anyway, so I took another 2 pieces. This is going to become a belly band. These are 5.5 by 3.5. And guys, remember, I am using scraps. So just use your scraps, make your belly band, whatever size scraps you have. I'm going to put some tape on there as well. Okay, so I have tape on my, these are actually flaps. I'm sorry, I said belly band, but they're actually flaps. So I'm going to glue these down right here, right at the edge here, you know, trying to center it a bit. Okay, so I am going to put it about right there, and then the top one is going to go right here. So let me glue those down. All right, so my pocket is going to go out this way. Okay, this is for the right side of the page. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a magnet. Okay, so I want the magnet about right here. I'd say about 2 inches in. And then I am going to take my other matching piece. I'm going to remove the back. Put a little glue on there. I'm simply going to close this, make sure it is straight, and there is my magnet. So I'm gonna let that dry for a second. Now I have another piece. This is 2 1/4 by 4.5, and again, guys, these are scraps. So I'm going to punch the edge on this one as well, and I'm going to punch this on both sides. That is punched on both sides, and what I should have done first, does anyone else do that? I hate when I don't get it exactly and I have to cut those little pieces out. Okay guys, so what I should have done was I should have scored this before at 1/2 inch, and I forgot to do that. So let me do that now. This is 1/2 inch. So it's easier to do if your paper is not punched yet. Okay, there we go. All punched, or all scored. Right, now I'm going to open this up. Some of the glue seeped out. Okay, I'm going to open this up, and this is going to become a little belly band. And I am going to glue this down right here. Becomes a little belly band and a spot for a photo mat. So let me put this down, glue it up. And then this simply goes in like that, okay? So this closes up like that. Now I have already made the one for the left side, and this is exactly the same, so you just have to do it twice. There you go. So just do it twice, and then we're going to go ahead and glue this down to our mini album, or to our album. Oh, come on. This one goes this way, right here, and I didn't want it all the way to the edge because then the pages get kind of stiff to turn, and this one is going to go this way. Okay, so let me glue those in. I think I'm going to put tape on there. So 6 and 7, they have flaps and a belly band. Flaps and a belly band. I like that. Okay, 8 and 9. And what I did with 8 and 9, I made 2 flaps. They're going to go this way, and again, I'm using my scraps so they don't quite cover the front of the page. I'm going to have a closure right here, and this will open up this way on the page. Okay, but for this I also punched the edge. All right, and these flaps are going to go right here from side to side, right there. Okay, and I have already made my other ones for my other side this way. All right, pages 8 and 9, and I'm not going to put the closure on there just yet because I need to put paper over this. So just know there's going to be a closure right here, and it's going to be probably some baker's twine and an eyelet of some sort. It's what I'm thinking. And then this will open up this way. Okay, I might even put another flap here on the inside. Okay, so there is that. And then on the last page, since the last page we will be able to see it through here, I thought I could do something fun. I made a fun photo frame. You know, this has acetate on there. It's just a 10 by, let me see what it is. Oh, I'm wrong. 11. Okay, this is 11 by 5. I just scored it in half, and that becomes the photo frame. This is going to go right here in the center, but I wanted to go ahead and put a piece of pattern paper down right here, like that. And the way this is going to stay closed, because it's going to go right in the center, the way this is going to go closed is I am going to put like a swing tab, and this comes from the sentiments pack, the stickers. So I took a brad right here. I think I'm going to use this one, and I have already marked where my hole is going to go, and this will become a swing tab so we can open and close that. So since I've already marked my hole, I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, puncture. There's my hole. And let me see how this is going to go this way. So my words need to be this way. I'm going to go ahead and thread this. And I realize my word gets kind of covered up, but you know what? That's okay, because we can all figure out that that says dreams come true. Okay. All right, guys, I went ahead and glued this tab down, the swing tab, and I am going to glue this right here before I glue my page down. And that is our last page, guys. I like that. All I have to do is glue this down and we are finished. Other than, of course, decorating the book, we will be finished. Our album is finished, guys. First page is blank because it'll show through the acetate. This is page 2. It's got a pocket. We open it up. It's got a waterfall. Closes with a magnet. Okay, and this is pocket number, or page number 3. And this one opens up this way. Okay, and then this one has pockets. And then this one has the belly bands, and it seems like the belly bands are sticking. I'm going to see if putting paper, you know, the paper is going to make it any better. We'll see. And these open up this way. This one has that belly band. And then this one opens. There's that belly band on the top. And then these have the flaps. And remember, I may put another one on the inside. I'm kind of thinking that's where I'm leaning towards. And this one is going to have a closure right here. Right here. And I'm trying to use up all my scraps. And then on the last page, we have this frame that opens this way. It's got a swing tab to close. And that is it, guys. All I need to do is decorate her, and she is done. You know, I was thinking that on these inserts, I may punch these inserts. Let's see how that looks. Okay, punch the edge on this one, and let's see how that looks. I think I'm going to like that. Yes, that is what I'm going to do to each one. And then maybe still cut it down just like 1/8 of an inch. There we go. And guys, I don't need a closure because I am going to make a box for this mini album. So I don't need a closure. We're going to make a box. And in the next video, I will show you how I decorated it in the end, because I want to show you that we have options for flaws. And this is, we're going to cover that up. And I'm going to show you how. And I am going to cover this up. I still don't know how, but I am. So we're going to cover this up. And then again, I'm going to cover this edge up from the front and the back. I'm going to put some trim on there, so it should look okay. This is the album with 5 pages, 8x8 acetate. All right, guys, I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for stopping by and watching. I will talk to everyone later. Have a great day, guys.